Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have any of the following three vehicles, guys, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram Promaster, guys, and you have the 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you have a valve lifter noise, valve tickings, guys, okay, we will explain what can cause that, what needs to be done to replace valve lifters, where they're located, and you actually have two kinds of lifters on that engine, guys, so make sure you stay until the end. You do not have to remove your engine to replace valve lifters, but it will require quite a bit of work. You have to remove timing chain and all that, guys. All that is on the channel. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine. That's why we decided to remove it, so we can show you with the great detail how to do everything, because if it's in the car, guys, practically it's impossible to show you with the great detail how to do things. So all those videos about timing chain removal, all that, actually the video for replacing the lifters will be as well, but in today's video, guys, we'll explain what can cause the valve lifter noise and how to get to them. So let's show you now, guys. This engine has been developed by Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep, guys, together, so it's been and Fiat as well. It's been used in multiple vehicles, guys. You can find it in so many vehicles, guys. And you can see, in order to remove the lifters, you need to remove the camshaft. You have only one camshaft, but you need to remove timing cover so we can get to the timing chain. Quite a bit of work needs to be done, guys. And you need to remove your timing control block right there. This is for the independently control cylinder timings on each cylinder on the intake side, guys. And on this side right here now, okay, this is the exhaust side. This is where your exhaust manifold is. You guys have your valve lifters right here. That's what's causing, guys, ticking. Okay, those are hydraulic lifters, and they, guys, sometimes they do get wear out, but sometimes that ticking, guys, is caused by wore out engine oil. So if you have valve lifter ticking, guys, always change your oil first, see if that fixes the problem. Also, you can try, there is different additives for cleaning the engine between oil changes, so we can ensure that everything's working correctly. We used to have a BMW that was ticking really bad. We did that and problem was solved. But if you need to replace those, guys, okay, you have to remove so many things to get to it. Now, as you can see, you have 8 valve lifters on the exhaust side on each valve, but then, guys, you have some more, okay, for the intake side. And as you can see, there is nothing on the valves here, but if you come to the timing control module, guys, the whole assembly, those are your self-adjustable pretty much lifters right here. Those are adjusted by oil pressure as well. So if you guys have lifter noise, replace the 8 lifters, and also I'll recommend to put a new timing control module here, guys, the whole assembly, the whole timing assembly, because those are not serviceable, okay, and you will pretty much, guys, need to replace it. So we'll have the links in the description of the video below if you need any of the parts. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop a comment. Let us know, guys. We'll try our best to make a video for your specific problem. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.